Eastern Front of the Second World War saw some of the most brutal fighting in the entire war between the Germans and the Soviet Union. This theater of war saw the most devastation in all of Europe and was the most costly of lives, both civilian and military, with cruelty and animosity in full display by both sides. The conflict on the Eastern Front began on June 22, 1941, beginning the most destructive combat in human history, lasting for over 3 years and finally ending with the fall of Berlin and subsequent surrender of Germany on May 8, 1945. And today we will be unboxing pieces of its history. This M40 helmet is from the Rostov region in southern Russia, which saw fighting between German and Soviet troops from November 17th to December 2nd, 1941, and had the Soviets defend the region and then push back their German invaders. This SSH-40 helmet is from the Karelia region, near the modern border with Finland. This region saw intense fighting between Finnish and Soviet forces who both laid claim to the region. The fighting in the area lasted from July of 1941 and ended with the Soviet offensive from June 10th to August 9th, 1944, in which the Soviet Union captured and took hold of the region. These two M42 helmets are from the Königsberg region, now Kaliningrad, Russia, which saw a desperate defense of the city by a weak German army in the Battle of Königsberg from January to April 9th, 1945. The Soviets encircled the city and laid siege to it alongside previous bombardments from the RAF in August of 1944, which left much of the historic city in ruins. The Battle of Königsberg claimed the lives of over 50,000 people, and 80,000 German soldiers and civilians were taken prisoner by the Soviets following the capture of the city. These two M35 helmets were found in the Stalingrad region, which saw the bloodiest battle in human history between Germany and the Soviet Union, lasting over 5 months and through harsh winter conditions. The battle would claim the lives of approximately 2 million people, soldiers and civilians alike. The loss of the Battle of Stalingrad would mark a shift in the balance for Germany, permanently damaging the Wehrmacht and swaying the war in favor of the Soviets and Allied powers. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, like and subscribe for more historical content.